What is the difference between evidence and testimony? Have you ever wondered how a court decides what is true and what is not? The answer lies in two key concepts: evidence and testimony. Let's break down what each one means and how they differ. Evidence is any item or information presented in court to help establish whether a fact is true or false. It can come in many forms. Think about physical objects like weapons or documents like contracts. Even photographs and videos can serve as evidence. The main goal of evidence is to support or challenge a claim. For evidence to be used in court, it must meet certain rules that vary by jurisdiction. Now, let's talk about testimony. Testimony is a specific type of evidence that consists of statements made by witnesses. These statements can be given orally or in writing and are made under oath. Witnesses are typically people who have first-hand knowledge of the events related to the case. They might be bystanders, experts, or individuals involved in the situation. The reliability of testimony often depends on the credibility of the witness and the context in which they provide their statements. So, what are the key differences between evidence and testimony? First, evidence is a broader term that includes various forms of proof, while testimony specifically refers to the spoken or written accounts of witnesses. Second, evidence can be tangible, like a physical object, or intangible, like a document. In contrast, testimony is primarily intangible, relying on the words of individuals. Lastly, both are used to support or refute claims, but evidence provides a wider range of proof, while testimony focuses on personal accounts. Understanding these differences is especially important for those in legal internships and clerkships. Interns and clerks often assist in gathering evidence and preparing witnesses for their testimony. They may also analyze whether certain pieces of evidence or testimony can be admitted in court. This involves reviewing legal documents, researching laws, and observing court proceedings. By grasping the distinction between evidence and testimony, legal interns can better support attorneys in building strong cases and navigating court procedures effectively. In summary, evidence and testimony are both essential in the legal process, but they serve different roles. Knowing how to differentiate between the two can significantly enhance your skills in a legal internship or clerkship.